Hey whales, good morning. It is April the 27th, and let's recap NVIDIA. And just to give you guys an idea in terms of my trade so far for the month of April, doing quite well, up 26,000 USD, so on pace for about a 300,000 year, so not too bad. 69% win rate as well. Majority of my trades have been across companies like NVIDIA, Tesla, the S&P 500, and you can see from the calendar view, I did pretty well last week. I ended every single day in profit, so not too bad as well. And hopefully the last 3 days of the month here in April, I can keep up the momentum with the Discord group, right? So again, if you guys want my exact entries, targets, stop losses, all my trades, right, I provide that every single day in Discord, both day trades and swing trades. So come join. The link is in the bio, and I look forward to trading with you. All right, so with that said, with NVIDIA here, potentially we have a low in place, right? So we have the invalidation level set. So again, as long as price can stay above the invalidation level, we're calling for more upside. And you can see that we have two paths that can happen. We have an A, B, C with one more leg lower, right? So one more leg lower for that C wave before we pump up higher. Or, surprise, this could have been the 2 wave here. And we won't go lower, okay? And we'll be making a series of 3, 4s, and 5s towards the upside before a larger wave dip, okay? But it holds the invalidation level high, right? So it holds it, and then ultimately we can push higher here, okay? I personally like this path better because of the fact like the S&P 500, if you take a look, right? It is calling for more upside, okay? And ultimately on the S&P, if we can remain bullish and stay bullish, we're looking at potentially 563 on the S&P 500, okay? So a bit more upside potentially, okay? About 3% more towards the highs. So that'll correlate with sort of NVIDIA here, maybe pushing above this high, okay? It is lagging a little bit, NVIDIA. We still haven't broken 115, so that's the only concern here. That's why that second path where we go one more wave deeper before we push up higher still can happen because we did not break above this high yet, okay? That's why. So let's see if NVIDIA can keep pushing higher and follow the S&P for more upside. If I go down to the 30-minute time frame as well, let's go to NVIDIA here. Okay. You can see that, again, off the lows, we have a wave 1 in blue, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our Discord group, right, we longed 93. We took profits at the wave 3 high. We longed at 102, and we took profits at the wave 5 high. And we also longed at 101, and we took profits at the B wave high, okay? So we're seeing whether or not NVIDIA can continue pushing higher, right, with the S&P 500 for us to actually break above this level at 115, right? This is going to be very crucial, guys. If NVIDIA can break above this, we're still in a bullish sequence, right? And this is essentially what's going to happen. We break the highs, we make a 3-wave dip here like this, and we're still bullish and we keep going further and further. If not, then of course the second wave or second path can go something like this, okay? And this is a little bit sketchy, right? Because it's getting very close to that invalidation level low. So we don't want this, right? We want NVIDIA to break above 115 and continue higher. And we want NVIDIA to do something like this, right? At least hold the invalidation level lows. Now, again, it is getting a little bit sketchy here, guys, to be longing for a swing trade because of the fact that we are at some take profit zones from the lows. So the banks and the algos, they're looking at 116, 110 as sort of this area to take profits at from people that longed here and longed here. So you got to be a little bit careful, okay? Let me take a look at the RSI. So we are erasing divergence. However, there is some bearish divergence going to form, right, if NVIDIA does one more leg higher. Okay, so if NVIDIA does this one more time, there's going to be bearish divergence starting to form where there's going to be some pressure, okay, coming down like this into the future. So you got to be careful here. All right, if you're going to long NVIDIA, you want to make sure that you're only taking day trades and you're only longing on the 1 minute time frame, right, rather than taking swings. In terms of swings, you want to wait until we get a little bit of higher, larger dip, and then buy the dip before it goes up even more. Okay, so let's see, right? I'll give you guys an update every single day. Don't worry, right? I'm here with you guys. Let's become millionaires this year. And I look forward to trading with you in Discord together, guys. All right, I'll see you guys there, and have a great rest of your Sunday.